One of the ways to find rotation, guys, how I do it at least, and then I use it to find relative strength, relative weakness, is you have a set of different things that you're looking at intraday, starting from typically some sort of indice. Like I'll look at the SPYs, I'll look at the Qs, I'll look at the XLF, XLE, XLK, XLP, so on and so forth. I'll have basically all of the ETFs set up. Especially in the morning, I'll do this. I'll go through all of them to see what's going on in that regard. If you don't know which ETFs to look for, you can simply just go to like something like FinViz. Go to industry. There should be one that has ETFs, or maybe, let's see. Okay, ETF, exchange traded funds. So you have a list of all the ETFs there. Market cap, make them big. Oops. There we go. Where is it? It's kind of weird. Are we getting like spine stuff in here? I don't think so. Large. No. Okay, you can just ignore that then. What I'll do then is instead of that, because doesn't look like it's factor or filtering them right. You can go to the ones with some decent relative volume instead. And then what I would do is I would just, basically based on what you're looking at sector-wise, have a whole bunch of different sectors set up. For some reason, these are all financial. I want any. Oops. Oh, there we go. They're all right here actually. If you look at the company names, then it kind of tells you exactly what those ETFs are about. But anyways, get a whole bunch of these in a basket. I kind of like the X's just because they're easy to go through. So I'll go through all those ETFs in the morning. I'll look at what's weak, what's not, what the daily charts look like, et cetera, and then based off of those, I'll typically have the top like 5 or 10 holdings within a watch list. And what you can do is, if you have those watch lists set up, you can quickly then rip through your technology watch list, your let's call it retail watch list, your gold watch list, oil watch list, energy, whatever. You rip through those watch lists, and then you're going to be able to see outliers really quickly. Something's going to be green, and the rest will be red. Something's going to be red, the rest will be green, so on and so forth. Really quickly, that way you can find relative strength or relative weakness in the morning, and then you can kind of go after those names. And then if you're looking for relative weakness or relative strength in a sector, then it's just a matter of looking at what the entire market's doing as a whole, going through the ETFs, and then just looking at what's going counter to the market. And then typically there you can go through and weed and find something with actual strength and momentum. That's how I'm finding these these names really quickly in the morning that are breakout candidates. I'm also doing a lot of scanning after hours and before the market opens, setting alerts on charts that are breaking out, etc. But this is a great way to do it and a great tool to use. And it's not super complicated, and the more you do it, the faster you're going to get at actually recognizing what's going on from a bigger picture point of view, which is obviously extremely important. To generate ideas in trading, you need to understand the big picture, then you kind of weed down to the smaller picture, then you look for individual examples to go after. So a little bit of a educational piece there, and I'll continue to do like little educational things every single day, so you can throw them in the FAQ, or I'll throw some of them on YouTube, whatever, whatever easy for you.